Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can set Google Chrome browser as the default browser on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. In order to set Google Chrome browser as the default browser, we have to download and install Google Chrome browser on Windows 11. So I already made a video on how you can install Google Chrome browser on Windows 11. You will get the video link in the I button or you can get the link in the description box. Now to change, simply click on the start button, then click on settings. Here click on apps and here you will find default apps. Simply click on this option. Here we have set default for application. Here we have all the applications which are installed on our Windows 11 computer. Now here simply on the search option, search for your browser. Let me search for Google Chrome. So here I have Google Chrome. Let me click on this option. And here we have all the file formats. So here simply change all this option to Google Chrome. After changing all this option to Google Chrome, simply restart your computer. And this will set Google Chrome as the default browser on Windows 11. So that's it for this video. Hope this video is helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.